Hey, thanks for joining. So in this video we're gonna show you how we're gonna connect the ClearPass to the Active Directory and link it to the CA server.
Let us prepare you to own, protect, and master your network. Net Prepare.
So here we have actually logged into the CA server and we're trying to perform a sign request from ClearPass to the CA server, so our certificate will be trusted by the users. So you go under Administrator, under Certificate Store, and you do create a certificate sign request. So here this information, you need to fill it accordingly. Here I'm inputting the passwords for the private key. Oh, I think I need to put the DNS at the beginning. Right, so now you copy this certificate and then you go back to the CA server, paste it here, specify I want a web server and submit. Now you specify that you need it in a base 64 encoding and you download the certificate. And the certificate, not the certificate chain. Right now we need to download the CA server root certificate, also base 64. And now we need to add those two certificates to our trusted certificate. So we go to the trusted list, click on add, and we select those two certificates. I'm going to specify here if Alright, here we check that we have actually imported them correctly, it's valid and enabled. Now back to the certificate store to import the certificate. We specify that it is a server certificate and we import the certificate that we actually signed. Here you have you check the select users. We have you could use different certificates for different users. But here we want using it for really server certificate and heap certificate. Now we need to link the ID, so under configuration, source, we specify that it's Active Directory, and give it a name. For sure we want the authorize attributes, authentication source. Oh, sorry. So, so you go to primary to provide the IP. So I'm providing a public IP. This wouldn't be the case in your network. So I always like to secure this. You don't have to do that. Here you're providing a user with admin privilege. I also would like to verify the server certificate. And let's check for the root CA certificate. Perfect. Yes. And let's see if it's working. And perfect, it's working. Perfect, we could save this. And we have our Active Directory linked. We could also join the ClearPass to the ID. Under server configuration, you click on the ClearPass that you want to add and you click on join AD, and here you provide the IP, and I don't want to use the administrative user, so I'm providing the name and the password. Also, since we're not in an internal domain, maybe this we cannot do. Alright, so I'll have to actually move the Active Directory and the Aruba ClearPass to the same VPC and change the DNS entries for the ClearPass to the actual Active Directory DNS. I'll fix that later. I'm gonna also enable insights. Save the configuration. Alright, and I think this is enough for this video. Thank you for joining, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Please guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe, click the notification button, and thank you, that would be really helpful.
Let us prepare you to own, protect, and master your network. Net Prepare.